In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up custom redirection URL paths for your Typeform completions, so you can send your respondents to a specific website or landing page immediately after they finish your form. This is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and move them further down your marketing funnel without any manual effort. To get started, open your form and look at the left-hand panel where your entire question sequence layout list is displayed. You will need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this list, where your final blocks are located. Once you reach the end, click on the Endings block section. If you have already created a specific end screen for your project, you can simply select that one from the list. After you have clicked on the ending, shift your eyes over to the right side of your screen to find the Ending Settings panel. This is where you control the final behavior of your form. Within this specific panel, you need to locate the option labeled Redirect to URL. You will see a small toggle switch right next to it. Go ahead and click that toggle switch to turn it on, which will unlock the destination field for you. Now, all you have to do is type or paste the full destination URL path where you want your users to go. Make sure you include the entire address to ensure the link works perfectly for everyone who completes the survey. This feature is incredibly useful for providing extra resources or special offers to your respondents. Once you have entered the correct link, look for the Save button to lock in your changes permanently. If you follow these simple steps, your respondents will be automatically navigated to your chosen external page the moment they hit the Submit button on your Typeform. It is a seamless way to finish your data collection process while providing a professional experience for your users.